Yo, what's up everybody? It's host's name here, back with another video. Alright, let's be real. You're psyched about your next trip, right? Got the tickets booked, itinerary planned, but then it hits you. That dreaded feeling of packing. Don't even try to deny it, I see it in your eyes. Packing can be a total buzzkill, turning your pre-trip excitement into a chaotic scramble. But hold on, because I've been there, done that, and I'm here to tell you it doesn't have to be this way. Today we're diving deep into the ultimate packing guide, designed to streamline your process, eliminate stress, and get you back to focusing on what really matters, the adventure itself. Hey travelers, welcome back to the channel. If you're like me, the thrill of an upcoming trip can sometimes be overshadowed by the stress of packing. But don't worry, today I've got you covered with a foolproof packing list to ensure your next adventure is smooth, stress-free, and most importantly, fun. So, let's dive right in. First things first, we gotta talk about the heavy hitters, the MVPs of your travel kit. The stuff that'll make or break your trip. These are the items that, if forgotten, can turn your dream vacation into a logistical nightmare. We're talking about the things that, if you forget them, you're pretty much cooked. These are the non-negotiables, the must-haves, the essentials that you simply cannot leave home without. So let's break it down, rapid-fire style, no time to waste. Get your checklist ready because these are the items you need to double, triple check before you head out the door. Number 1, passport and ID, your golden ticket to adventure. This is your key to crossing borders and exploring new lands. Seriously, without these, you're going nowhere fast. Imagine getting to the airport and being turned away at the gate because you forgot your passport. It's a traveler's worst nightmare. Make sure it's not expired, tuck it in a safe spot, and for extra credit, snap a pic on your phone, just in case. Next up, travel insurance. This might not be the most exciting thing to think about, but it's absolutely crucial. Yeah, I know it's not exactly the sexiest thing to pack, but trust me, it's a lifesaver. Think of it as your safety net, your backup plan for when things go sideways. Think of it like a safety net for your trip, protecting you from the unexpected. Whether it's a medical emergency, a canceled flight, or lost luggage, travel insurance has got your back. And finally, the essentials for navigating the world of commerce, credit cards, and cash. These are your tools for making purchases, booking accommodations, and handling any financial transactions on the go. Don't put all your eggs in one basket, bring multiple cards, and give your bank a heads up about your travel plans to avoid any awkward declines. This way, you won't be left stranded without access to your funds. Now let's talk about why these items are so crucial. These aren't just random suggestions, they're based on real-life travel experiences and the challenges that can arise. Imagine this, you're at the airport, buzzing with excitement, only to realize you left your passport at home. The sinking feeling in your stomach is something no traveler wants to experience. Game over before it even began. Your trip is halted before it even starts and you're left scrambling to figure out your next move. Or, picture yourself miles from home, struck by a sudden illness or injury, with no travel insurance to cover the costs. Medical bills can add up quickly, and without insurance, you could be facing a financial disaster. Talk about a vacation nightmare. The stress and worry can overshadow the joy of your trip, turning what should be a relaxing time into a stressful ordeal. And let's not forget about the peace of mind that comes with having multiple payment options. Whether it's a lost wallet or a stolen card, having backups ensures you're never left in a lurch. Lost wallet, stolen card, no problem, you've got backups. This redundancy is key to maintaining your financial stability while traveling. These essentials aren't just about convenience, they're about ensuring a smooth, worry-free journey. By being prepared, you can focus on enjoying your adventure, knowing that you've got all the bases covered. Alright, let's talk clothes. Packing for a trip can be both exciting and daunting. It's all about finding that perfect balance between bringing what you need and not overpacking. I know, for some of you, this is where the real struggle begins. The thought of leaving behind that favorite shirt or those extra shoes can be stressful. But trust me, packing light is the name of the game. Not only does it make your travel experience smoother, but it also gives you more freedom to move around. You don't need to lug around your entire wardrobe. The key is versatility. Choose items that can serve multiple purposes and be worn in different combinations. Think about it. You're going on an adventure, not a fashion runway. Prioritize comfort and practicality over style. First and foremost, pack for the weather. This might seem obvious, but it's crucial. Check the forecast for your destination and plan accordingly. This will help you avoid packing unnecessary items. Layers are your best friend. They save space and can be adapted to changing conditions. You can add or remove layers as needed, making them perfect for unpredictable weather. Next up, color palette. Stick to neutral colors like black, white, gray, navy. They're like chameleons of the clothing world, easy to mix and match, creating multiple outfits from just a few key pieces. This way, you can maximize your wardrobe without overpacking. And when it comes to footwear, keep it practical. Shoes can take up a lot of space, so choose wisely. One comfortable pair for walking, exploring, pounding the pavement, you know, the stuff adventures are made of. These should be your go-to shoes for most of the trip. Then, throw in a slightly dressier option for those impromptu dinners or nights out. You never know when you might need to dress up a bit. And if you're planning on any specific activities like hiking or hitting the beach, pack accordingly. Specialized gear can be essential for these activities. But remember, keep it minimal. The less you bring, the less you have to worry about. You can always do laundry on the go if you need to. Many hotels and hostels offer laundry services, and there are often laundromats nearby. This way you can refresh your wardrobe without carrying too much. Chapter 3. Tech gear that actually elevates your trip. Alright, let's talk tech. In this digital age, having the right gadgets can seriously upgrade your travel game. First up, the MVP of any trip, your smartphone. It's your camera, your GPS, your entertainment system, your lifeline to the outside world, all rolled into one. Don't even think about leaving home without your charger, and for those long days on the go, a portable power bank is a lifesaver. Next up, adapters and converters. Nothing kills the travel vibe like realizing your electronics are incompatible with the local outlets. Do your research, pack accordingly, and avoid those frustrating moments of tech incompatibility. Now, let's talk about some travel-friendly tech that can elevate your experience. Noise-canceling headphones, a must-have for long flights, noisy buses, or just those moments when you need to tune out the world and escape into your own little audio bubble. A Kindle or tablet lightweight, compact and loaded with books, magazines, or movies to keep you entertained during downtime. And if you're into photography, a compact camera can capture those stunning travel moments in all their glory. Chapter 4. The Hygiene Heroes, staying fresh on the go. Okay, let's get real for a second, hygiene. It's not glamorous, but it's crucial, especially when you're on the move. We're talking about staying fresh, feeling confident, and avoiding those travel-related hygiene mishaps. First up, toiletries. Stick to travel-sized versions of your essentials. Shampoo, conditioner, toothpaste, deodorant, you know the drill. And remember the TSA's 311 rule for carry-on liquids, 3.4 ounces or less per container, all tucked neatly into a quart-sized bag. Next up, medications. If you're on any prescription meds, pack enough for your entire trip, plus a few extra days just in case. Keep them in their original packaging, along with a copy of your prescription to avoid any issues at customs. Now let's talk about a few often overlooked hygiene heroes. Hand sanitizer, your trusty sidekick for keeping germs at bay, especially in those less than sanitary travel situations. Wet wipes, versatile lifesavers for quick cleanups, from sticky fingers to dusty shoes. And don't forget a small pack of tissues, you never know when you'll need them. Remember, staying healthy on the road is all about being prepared. Chapter 5. The Little Luxuries, turning travel into an experience. Alright, we've covered the essentials, the tech, the hygiene. Now it's time for the fun part, the little extras that can transform your trip from ordinary to extraordinary. These are the small touches that can elevate your travel experience, making it not just a journey, but a memorable adventure. These are the things that might not be strictly necessary, but trust me, they make all the difference. They add that extra layer of comfort and enjoyment, turning a simple trip into a delightful experience. First up, a travel pillow and blanket. These might seem like minor additions, but they can significantly enhance your comfort, especially on long journeys. Long flights, bumpy bus rides, uncomfortable train seats, these little comforts can make all the difference in arriving at your destination, feeling refreshed and ready to explore. Imagine being able to catch some quality sleep or simply relax more comfortably. Next up, snacks. Airport food can be pricey and underwhelming, so pack a few healthy options like nuts, granola bars, or dried fruit to keep those hunger pangs at bay. Having your own snacks not only saves money but also ensures you have something you enjoy eating. Now, let's talk about entertainment. Keeping yourself entertained during travel can make the time fly by and keep your spirits high. Whether it's a good book, downloaded movies, a travel journal, or even just a deck of cards, bring something to keep yourself occupied during those inevitable travel lulls. These activities can help you relax and enjoy the journey itself rather than just waiting to reach your destination. And don't underestimate the power of a small notebook and pen, perfect for jotting down those fleeting travel thoughts, capturing those inspiring moments, or simply sketching out your surroundings. It's a great way to document your journey and create lasting memories. These little touches can transform your journey from a means to an end into an experience in itself. By adding these small luxuries, you can make your travel not just about the destination, but about enjoying every moment along the way. So, next time you pack, remember to include these little extras and turn your travel into a truly enriching experience. Chapter 6. Adventure awaits. Pack smart, travel well. There you have it, folks. The ultimate packing guide to conquer any trip like a pro. Remember, the key to stress-free travel is preparation. Pack smart, stay organized, and most importantly, embrace the unexpected. Now go out there, explore those uncharted territories, chase those sunsets, and create memories that'll last a lifetime. And hey, if this video helped you level up your packing game, hit that like button, subscribe for more travel tips, and share it with your adventure buddies. Until next time, safe travels, everyone.